Hi guys, I'm here today to do an unboxing for EarthLove. I won this really amazing gift box from them, and I did this. They partnered with the Orangutan Alliance, and it really brought attention for me to some environmental issues, and that's very important to me because I am a science major and I see what's happening to the planet, and I'm not sure that I knew as much about the causes of palm oil until I started palm oil production until I started work you know reading about it, looking at the posts, and like I remember that it used to be in peanut butter, like specific peanut butters. I'm not going to mention any brands right here, but I just think it's really important to lessen the environmental load wherever you can, and to buy products, well, like what they have here. Came with a little magazine kind of talking about the different elements to the box, and I will say that I have opened it and I did succumb to eating the chocolate. So that is the one thing that I have pictures of because it was amazing. I mean, it's an Ayurveda artisanal chocolate with moringa in it. So I apologize, I could not resist. It was very good, raw, no dairy, small batch, and sweetened with honey. And like very few ingredients. It has Himalayan pink salt in it, which is amazing. So I guess from there I'm just going to begin. I think that what they're doing with their giveaways is amazing, bringing attention to that kind of environmental issue, because I don't know that a lot of people know about it, and it's good to spread awareness wherever you can, really. So I'm going to use this as a guide, the little booklet I received. So I got this All-Purpose Cleaner, and it's from Sea Witch Botanicals, and it smells really amazing. It is supposed to be used with, it's their Canary Clean All-Purpose. You can use it for the kitchen dishes, countertops. There are no synthetic fragrances, which is really important to me. I do not like those. They actually make me really sick, and I can't handle the synthetic fragrances. I'll get like foggy and like spacey, and it makes me feel sick. Like I have to use a lot of unscented products. So this was actually really perfect. Thank you, guys. Let's see. There's this really cool necklace that came in the box. And sorry, I just want to display it well. It's just so pretty. And it's from, well, I'll show you this. Here's the pendant, and from this company, and from Matur Bumi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Could be wrong. It's the Durango Necklace. It is inspired by the elements of earth and fire. The necklace combines ethically sourced Indian rosewood and etched gold brass. That is so cool. I make jewelry, so when I hear that, I'm just even more excited, because I haven't looked in depth at this because I wanted to kind of this to be organic with you guys. So Indian rosewood, handmade by certified fair trade artisans in India. The proceeds from this necklace help fund community development in rural India, which I love. I love fair trade organizations that do projects like that. I think it's really important to help other people. Okay, and I did receive a clay mask. I haven't opened it yet, but it looks pretty amazing. It is from Roots Apothecary, and it's a clay mask with turmeric and honey. It also says it's got lemongrass and it's manuka honey and oats powder. So very few ingredients again, and it's gluten-free oats powder, which is important to me. I was wondering when I saw the oats, I'm like, uh-oh, I have gluten intolerance, so safe for me too. All right, and then let's see, I did have to pop this open. It's an essential oil from Roots Apothecary, and it is citrus. Mainly citrus. It does have rosemary, and they're sort of certified organic. It smells amazing. Just makes me feel happy and me feel like a little more aware and awake. I think the rosemary does that from kind of what I've read. And next, let's see, we've got this really cool lipstick. It's called Vivacious Lipstick. Let's see, I'm going to get a good shot here. Vivacious Lipstick from Elate Cosmetics. And it's an all-natural berry lipstick, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm excited about doing that because this has been one that I've been like, oh my gosh, oh, that's pretty. It's a really dark, it's kind of a darkish color, and it's washing a little oddly with the indoor lighting, but it's a little bit of a deeper color than it's showing up here. It smells really good, and honestly, it's a beautiful presentation as well, so I'm very impressed by that. Let's see, the inner aluminum casing can be recycled, and the packaging is zero waste. So when you're finished with it, crush the bamboo with heavy pliers and compost it. I've never seen a compostable lipstick before in my life. I think that's incredible. So then this, I did have to unwrap this. It is a waist apron from Mema, and let's see, it's upcycled from scrap denim left over by the fashion industry, and can be used anywhere for your creativity takes you. So I'm not sure if I will be using this for making jewelry, for like a tool belt. I don't really stand up and do this and work a lot, so maybe for sewing, because I really do have to do that with sewing. But it's just really, it's beautiful. It's really well sewn, and it's got the another little pocket to put a tool in. It's very nice, very well made. The next one is another one it was hard to not open. Boost Facial Serum. So it is a regenerating facial serum, and you can see here, whoops, right here, there you go, by New Body. It's perfect for the dry winter months, so I think that will be really helpful for me. I'm glad to use it, and it sounds like it's made organic, all natural, rosehip, geranium, and grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil for this and for cooking, actually. Keeps your skin hydrated, smoothing fine lines and reducing wrinkles. 100% cruelty-free, vegan, and free of any harmful chemicals. So I think that's pretty awesome, and now I can't wait to try it out. Let's see. There's also a Lunar Calendar, which I may come back to because I have been doing some reorganizing around the house today, but it's really cool. And then the maple toffee chocolate bar. I'm so sorry. I had to. It called to me, and it's got this amazing wrapping. I've never seen a chocolate bar that was wrapped like this. It just beautiful wrapping. Let's see. We've got Sorry, I'm just kind of looking through here, making sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, in the featured cause, it talks about in the back about deforestation and saving the orangutans, reforestation projects in Sumatra, which is the world's 6th largest island found in Indonesia. On the island, you'll find one of the world's most beautiful rainforests where some of the rarest animals on Earth roam. So it's so important for us to be vigilant about looking at labels, seeing what products are in them, and recognizing, like, the World Wildlife Federation, it says here, reported that 218 species of vascular plants were recorded in a single 200 square meter plot of dry lowland forest of Sumatra, which is more than twice as many in any other forest studied. It's deforestation. Palm oil is not sustainable, and it's increasing, and it causes loss of life. And I know we have so many endangered species, and you know, the last of species that have been lost, and I don't think any more need to be lost. And you just do what you can about it. Do what you can. Shop as ethically as possible, and that's just my personal opinion, but I do my best to. Do my best to. Let's see, your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly materials and our ongoing efforts to support sustainability. I think this is really important. It says please reuse, repurpose, or recycle the packaging, which I will be doing. I try to do that with things that with jewelry that I send out. And I'm consistently looking for ways to find boxes and packaging that I can reduce waste, or I can reuse something that, you know, I may not have thought of before. And it's just, I guess, up to everybody. Oh, and this is also printed with vegetable-based inks on 100% PCW recycled paper. And just very, very awesome company to support, I think. And this is really exciting as well. Got this book, Tonics, Oils, Balms, The Simple Guide to Natural Health. From apple cider vinegar tonics to coconut oil body balm, 150 plus remedies for health and healing by Melanie St. Ellers. And I am really excited to dig into this. I haven't really, because I was waiting for doing this. So when they talked about the recycled paper, I mean, this is perfect for packaging. And I think it's incredible that they do this. Also came with a little bookmark with a really cool design. That came from Mema. And let's see, Sea Witch Botanicals. Share your passion. Tagging us on social groups helps others find great ethical goods. And I think that's important too. That when you make any purchase with your pocketbook, it has a purpose, and it's kind of, you know, showing support for what you care about, and it's important to do that. I'm going to be right back in just a moment and find the calendar, because I want to share that too.